the maintenance of common property. Now, this is talking mostly to strata managers, but also to property managers, because obviously as property managers, you fit into this scenario when something goes wrong and you have a tenant living in a strata property. So quite common, really. So Section 106 of the Strata Schemes Management Act refers to the duty of the owners corporation to maintain and repair property. Now, this drills down into maintaining and keeping in good repair, serviceable repair, I think the words are, the common property vested in the owners corporation. So that's really important. Now, what happens here is, whilst it's the duty of the owners corporation, what an owners corporation does when they sign an agency agreement or a managing agency agreement with a strata manager is they are delegating their legal responsibilities as an owners corporation to that strata manager. So legal meaning that the strata manager can only do what is legal and what is required under the Strata Schemes Management Act. So when it says it's vested in the owners corporation, they are then transferring that over to a strata manager when they enter into an agreement with a strata manager. So what it actually states in Section 106 is that an owners corporation must renew or replace any fixtures or fitting that are compromised in the common property and any personal property that's actually vested in the owners corporation's name. So that actually means that it needs to be fixed quickly. So as a strata manager, you need to address these issues. Just remember, taking this from the property manager's perspective, and I can hear all the property managers going, oh no, this means that you have tenants who are living in strata, and if issues around the common property are not fixed, there will be claims for reduction in rent. So if air conditioning is not working and it goes on week after week after month and there's no air conditioning, these people have rented a property or leased a property through your agency as a property manager, and part of what they've leased is a property with air conditioning. Same deal, they've leased a property with a swimming pool, or they've leased a property with, a gym, or whatever it is that's in the common property, or working garage doors, or the intercom system, or the security systems, or the front doors, or whatever it is that they have leased this property. It comes with all of these features, and it is in the strata manager must attend to these issues to have them fixed, to limit that liability that the landlord will then lose rent. So the landlord, a member of the owners corporation, will lose rent because their tenants will say, well, I didn't have access to a swimming pool for 3 months of my 6-month tenancy. I want a reduction in rent for this. And that's a viable claim back through to NCAT. So, it's really important that as a strata manager, you take great consideration for this Section 106 and take on, because you have taken on the duties of the owners corporation to maintain and repair property. So it is important that you respond to requests and obviously go through the right processes and use your strata committee and use all of those processes to make sure that things happen and get the correct number of votes for whatever the issue happens to be, and make sure obviously that there is money to pay for the repairs or maintenance that are being discussed. So very important for strata managers. Property managers, if there's an issue, you need to make sure that it is passed on to strata managers in a timely manner. So don't sit on it for ages and then, blame the strata manager, and vice versa. So this needs to be where strata managers and property managers are actually working hand in hand. So very, very important that that's taken into consideration.